batho ba bona molaotekelo ke high court. High court e bua gore ba bolele motho se ka setlhogo se se kalokalo. President wa lehatshe a ba tsaya ba phadina ba ntsha mo tronko o dire go ira gomo go nyahatsa ka tlholo ya high court. Motho ya ka iranyalo ke motho o leng gore gongwe ka tswana le interest mo kganyete. Ba bona gore e tla ka yana. It's coming right back onto his lap, right back to his desk. Gore ke mang bona bola ka la fitse o tla ya raba putswa te ha re weekend nna ya la ka botlhale jo nang jone doctor go botswa go nna ha tse ka bona gore ke mang o tla ikara ba tswana ba tla go araba bona ba itse. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
About the last level. Thank you. Minister, DIS. Office of the President. Korbane ba kidnap ngwana ke. The late Kagiso Moswane was kidnapped by DIS. Ba mmotsa ka dilo tsa garagwe tsa sepolotiki and ba threatena go batla go mmola. A khanye wa itse ke lo kwaletse le tshitse le palelwa ke go hetola. A wa itse gore a guard in the office of the president yo tsama le Tautuna was here at Francistown West. A hira secretary wa constituency gore o ta monela 10,000 pula ha ka banela tlhogo ya me. DIS yo buang ka yone. Isa buika ope hote monela tlhogo ya ga Remoswane. We will give you 10,000 every month. Of these things what can I go?
Can waste time with unfounded
easy away. I'm straight on forward. I wrote a letter.
Unfounded allegations.
When I hear just share up, right? I'm going to go on.
This is a waste of parliament time. Can't waste time with unfounded allegations.
When I share up, I will some to go on.
Allegations, Mr. Speaker, tell me. You have to sit down.
Mr. Heli, wa utora re mutagao.
Are.
Vamos. Umurezi.
No, the minister.
Mr. Speaker, take charge.
Buena mo gombra.
Supplementary.
When the minister.
Warle.
Answer, are you aware? How is your how it finish?
Mr. Speaker, I was all
Right.
Lisa has heard you. Lisa. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Remuswane mu parliament wa ga metokwana so taba go ile motokwana mo tsegong pele. Re se go pele in this parliament a reisa issue ga ngwana wa go tokaetse. A wa ta ga re maka ngwana wa go tokaetse ke bena ke tano.
Ina get are you aware? Ska bua ka mosimane yo.
Ke tla bua ke ba tla ke bua ke
Ka le ke le kwadileng. Tlogela ngwana o ka re le mmala ile o bloody fool.
Re sa brana e bankang wena re e banka e tso bone batho ba gona ya.
I was all
Ska ba le ka mutagai. Ska ba ntwela mthimkulu.
You can't represent people of Francistown. You
Wena go ga motokwane. Go ga motokwane re kisetsa bana ba dikolo motokwane wena. Re tlo go tshwara tlo go bakolola.
Rawe.
Tlo go tshubela mo dikolong, ba tlo go tshubela bana ba dikolo batho ba ka boreng ba sokola re kisa motokwane o le mo parliament.
Mr. Speaker, I don't take kindly to what Muswani just said.
Now, sentse ntaya la dirwe.
Withdraw, Mr. Speaker.
Lo ina withdraw.
Speaker, kindly ask Mr. Speaker, kindly ask Honorable Muswani to withdraw.
Mr. Speaker. All of us have closed this thing. The staff of the TV. Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Speaker.
Remusano jadi drag twice.
Mr. Speaker, Moswane to withdraw.
Remoswane o na re felo ngwana go o boleile ngwana. Ngwana ga Remoswane.
Mr. Speaker, Moswane to get away with these accusations. Mr. Speaker, are you allowing Moswane to get away with making these accusations?
Notice of motions and orders of the day.